Go, Daniel.
You got this, Daniel.
Inside tie. There you go.
Come on, Daniel. Do something.
Watch your stand. Circle.
Daniel, do something. Daniel, come on, get your head up.
Let's go. You gotta go.
Daniel, you got this.
You gotta wrestle. That's on you.
Come on, Daniel.
Let's go, Daniel.
Now stand up. Head up. There we go. Head up.
Get up. Visit Bay. Get up.
Peel it off. Okay, go.
Come on, Dan. 30 seconds, Daniel. There you go.
Get it on.
Get on. On. Daniel, you need it on.
Get behind.
There you go, Daniel.
Behind it.
There you go, Daniel. 20 seconds. 20 seconds.
Lift the head.
Come on. Come on.
Post the arm out. There you go.
10 seconds, Daniel.
Short time.
Yeah.
Go, Daniel.
Once again, if you're doing the trainer, they are down here on the same side as this scores table.
Get up.
And they are on the
My hand.
west side of the gym here, on my left-hand side.
Face up. Face up. To your feet. To your feet. To your feet. Come on.
Come on, Daniel.
Roll. Up, Daniel, up.
Get up, Daniel. Push your shoulders on the mat. Push your shoulders.
Put your arm down, Daniel.
Like this, Daniel.
Daniel, shoulder down. Up all the way. Up all the way. All the way. Come on, keep going. Go, move. You can't sit right there. You gotta move. Hey, get the arm back. Go, up, now. Hips up. Hips up. Keep going. You're out. No, you're out. You gotta keep moving. Keep going.
Come on, Daniel. You got this.
Fight it. Fight it.
Fight it, Daniel.
Get down. Get down. Get down.
Roll.
Roll.
Circle with
Roll.
him.
Roll. You're out. You're out. You're out. You're out. You're out. Go. Up. You're out. There you go. Good job, Daniel. Build your base. Build your base.
Look away from it. Keep your head up, Daniel.
Base up now. Knee slide up. Base up. Build your base. Slide up. Under you. Up. Up now. You can't sit. You're out.
You can get up.
Come on, Daniel. 20 seconds. Daniel, 20 seconds.
Up, Daniel. Up, Daniel. Daniel, you gotta move. Come on.
10 seconds, Daniel.
Short time.
Don't get carried away by hands. There you go. You're good. Good time, Daniel. There you go. Forward. All right, now Russell, go. Hey, get your stand. Get your stand. Daniel.
It's okay, Daniel. Fight it.
Let's go.
You got it, Daniel. Get up. Get up.
Keep fighting, Daniel.
Come on, Daniel. Got this.
Fighting.
Fight your back up, Fred.
Fred.
Fred. Fight your arm too. Fight your arm too. Fight your arm too.
Fred.
Jump bridge now.
Fred. Fred.
Fight your arm too.
Fred.
Your arm too. Yeah, there you go. Go. You're out.
There you go, Daniel.
Around. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. Hey, that's done. Hey, ref, that's okay. Ref.
Red. Red.
Ref.
And that's exactly what happens every day.
Daniel, break him down before you run your half.
Snap, Daniel. Snap, Daniel.
Run it.
Nope. Match his move. Hey, up! Off to the other side. Good, get that power half. Go! Hey!
Ankle!
Grab his ankle! Hey! Off to that other side from there. Run it.
He has every move that he could pin the kid in.
Get it tight. Rush and then go. Go, circle. Now powerhouse. Run it. Now go. Good. That's better. Yeah. Hey, suck it up. Scoop that head. Scoop that head. Hey, scoop the head. Scoop it. Under. There you go. Lift the head. Lift. Lift the head. Daniel, you're locking your ass!
Daniel! You can't let me in.
Hey, where's her? Hey!
Now from now on, Southwest 215, this is Joshua Becky of Madison and Hunter Lee of West Jefferson. And that was a quick call. 9-7 to Joshua Becky.
Get one there, Daniel! There, jump aside. Yep, how's the look? Keep looking.
Head up!
Like that. On the side of him.
Up! Get up! Stand up! Get up, Daniel! Head up! Daniel, bring your head up!
All right, on mat one.
Set up!
Sit down! Matthew Bird, the big boy. Championship.
Daniel! Get off your knees!
Semifinals.
On your knees! On your Daniel!
On that three, we have a complex 15 matches
Trouble! Take a shot! Come on, Daniel!
Hey, short toe! Hey, you gotta get inside there! Okay, inside toe! You gotta get inside! Come on, Daniel!
Horse snap down, Daniel!
We will have a celebration after that for our third and fourth place in the from their race, that was Andrew Johnson with the fall.
Was that locked hands? They were in on their knees. Daniel!
Blake and Charlie Everhard of Madison. Everhard of Madison.
There you go! Hey! Hey, here's my board! You got Thompson, Daniel! Hey, fuck up! Hey, go!
Hey, Daniel, go!
Go!
Daniel!
Daniel!
I didn't tell you to go!
Daniel, what I taught you!
Yes, I know! Do it! Do it again!
Oh, Daniel!
You guys
Daniel,
want
do
it?
something!
Throw it! Throw it!
We're in the conference semifinals.
You can't stand it for that!
Roger Spencer Challenge, Joseph
Throw it! Get it back!
Daniel, throw!
Up first.
Again! Throw it! Again, Daniel! Daniel! Throw it! Daniel, throw it! Throw it! Throw it! Look at it!
Into the fourth place in Madison.
Throw it!
Go!